Hi, this is Tiffany from iHeartArtBlog.com, and I'm on the Lawn Fawn Design Team, and I'm here to show you a card, a masculine card, for Operation Right Home. So we'll be using several Lawn Fawn products, including stamps and papers. Let's begin. To begin, we're going to die cut this door opening wreath from Sizzix. We're just going to use some regular white cardstock. So you have your cutting plate, your die, your cardstock face down, whichever way you prefer, and then another cutting pad, and then you run it through your machine. When you're done, you should have some parts. This is for your door and your door frame, and then some decorative wood paneling. And you're also going to want to keep whichever handle you prefer. So we're not using the wreath. So in addition to this door, you're going to want to cut a rectangular white piece of cardstock that are the same measurements as this. And the measurements for this is 2 3/4 by 4 7/8. I'll be sure to put that up at the end of the video. And then you want to trim some of the Daphne's Closet petite papers down just so that it fits right onto that white cardstock. So you can just adhere it. And you can adhere your door parts as well. So now I'm just going to color the door handle brown. Then you just adhere it, and now we can move on to the inside of our closet. So I have some pattern paper that you just adhere. We're going to do some stamping. Now, taking some scratch sheets of white cardstock, you're going to stamp this tie from Dad's Day, and I'm going to do it in various shades of green and blue. So I have my dewdrops, my memento dewdrops, and I'm just going to do sort of like an ombre effect. Now I'm just going to cut these out. So once you're done cutting them all out, we're going to assemble the door frame. And I've chosen one necktie that I'm going to drape over the door. So just adhere it to the door. So I'm just going to fold it over like that, sort of like the messy hubby mess. And then take the rest of your neckties and stack them. And then using the smallest hole on your crocodile, you're just going to punch a hole right down the center of the top knot of the tie, like that. Then you're going to take some string. This is the Lawn Fawn Trimmings from the Naturals. And now you just string them through, and we're going to put the door frame on that. And in order to do this, you need to have some foam squares, and I'm simply putting them around the perimeter where the door frame will go. And where you want the string to go, you want to put 2 foam squares really close together to hold the string in, like that. So you should do that on the other side. So once you're done putting the adhesive squares around, don't forget to take off the backings. We're going to trim up the twine on the sides. So it's almost like making a shaker card. And then you're just going to adhere your door frame on top. And I see I made a mistake down at the bottom with my foam squares. So I'm just going to take them off. So now I have a card that I already put together, and I've adhered some of this Daphne's Closet petite paper on top. It's the plaid. So now you just would adhere that right down there. So now you have a fun, masculine, I miss you card for that special man in mind. Thanks for watching.